And the first one is our G1100 WirelessHART Intelligent Gateway. This one is our WirelessHART Gateway. Is responsible for the establishment, management, and maintenance of WirelessHART network. It continuously optimizes the network to ensure all devices work efficiently and safely. And this one, the reliability of the wireless state can reach 99%. It's very high. And you can see. And it's the WirelessHART network control configuration tool, and it also complies with HART 7.7 standard. Our customers can use it safely because it has explosion-proof certification, and you can see our certificates here. This is our explosion-proof certificates. To find the best wireless performance for the gateway, you can see from the picture, generally the place is 4.6 to 7.6 meters high from the ground or 2 meters high from the base facility. And for this picture is our application. The first one is applying in petrochemical industry. The later two are using in power industries. You can install it directly in the outside. The outer channel can protect the inside very well.